In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save posts for later viewing in Facebook. Saving posts is a really handy way to keep track of things you don't want to lose in your feed, like recipes, tutorials, announcements, or posts you simply don't have time to read right away. Instead of trying to remember keywords or scrolling forever to find something again, you can save it in just a couple of taps and come back whenever it's convenient. First, open Facebook and make sure you're on your main home feed. This is usually the first screen you see when you launch the app or go to the Facebook website. If you're not there, look for the home icon, often shown as a little house, and tap or click it. Your home or feed is where you see posts from friends, pages you follow, and suggested content, and it's also where you'll be able to save posts. Next, scroll through your feed until you find a post you want to save for later. This can be any type of post, a text update, a photo, a video, a link, or even a shared post from a page or group, as long as Facebook allows saving on that item. Once you've found the post you want, look for the three-dot icon, usually located in the upper right corner of that post. This icon might look small, so take a second to make sure you're tapping the three dots that belong to the specific post, not to something else on the screen. Go ahead and click or tap on those three dots to open a small options menu. When the menu appears, look through the list of options and find the one that says Save Post. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on the content, but it will always include the word Save. Click or tap on Save Post. As soon as you do this, Facebook will add that post to your saved items. You might also see a quick confirmation or a short message telling you that the post has been saved, sometimes with a suggestion of where to view all your saved content. Finally, if a prompt or small confirmation window appears with a Done button, simply click or tap Done to close it. This doesn't change whether the post is saved, it just dismisses the message and takes you back to your feed so you can keep scrolling. That's all there is to it. Your post is now safely stored and you can revisit it anytime from your saved section in Facebook.